After more than 3 weeks of relative quiet, Mount Etna on the Italian island of Sicily has once again unleashed its formidable power. Europe's most active volcano spewed incandescent lava, volcanic ash, and hot clouds high into the sky, creating a scene that was both mesmerizing and terrifying. This latest dramatic eruption quickly captured global attention due to its rapidly escalating intensity. Plumes of ash darkened the skies around Etna, while the glowing red light of the lava was visible from tens of kilometers away, drawing residents out to witness the event. A deafening roar emanated from deep within the earth before a torrent of volcanic material shot into the air. Tremors were felt along the mountain's slopes, sparking concern among locals. Many people stepped outside to monitor the situation, while others evacuated as a precaution against potentially intensifying volcanic activity. A dramatic spectacle unfolded as flows of hot lava crept slowly down the mountainside. Streams of glowing red fire cut through the black rock, scorching the vegetation in their path. Above, a column of volcanic ash billowed thousands of meters into the atmosphere, forming a thick cloud that blotted out the sun. Mount Etna is known as one of the world's most active volcanoes. In recent decades, it has erupted repeatedly with varying degrees of intensity. However, each eruption presents new threats due to the unpredictable nature of its volcanic activity. After more than 3 weeks without significant activity, many had assumed that magma pressure was subsiding. In reality, pressure had continued to build deep underground until it was finally released in this spectacular eruption. Volcanologists explained that the eruption began with a gradual increase in volcanic tremor seismic activity, signaling the movement of magma toward the surface. Shortly thereafter, Mount Etna's main crater began spewing lava, volcanic bombs, and incandescent material hundreds of meters into the air. This fierce, fiery eruption created a spectacle that was as mesmerizing as it was alarming. The most dramatic moments unfolded at night. Amidst the Sicilian darkness, the glowing lava appeared far brighter, creating a striking contrast against the smoke-filled sky. Flashes of red-orange light repeatedly burst from the main crater, as if the earth were tearing open a gaping wound to spew fire from its depths. Despite the breathtaking scenery, Mount Etna's eruption posed serious risks to local residents. Volcanic ash can compromise respiratory health, reduce visibility, and damage vehicle engines and infrastructure. Air travel can also be disrupted if ash reaches flight paths. Local authorities continued to monitor the situation and issued warnings urging residents to stay clear of the danger zone near the crater. Civil protection officers and rescue teams heightened their readiness for potential subsequent eruptions. Emergency equipment was placed on standby, while continuous monitoring was conducted using seismic sensors, thermal cameras, and satellite imagery. Scientists emphasized that Mount Etna's activity could change at any moment. Consequently, the public was urged to heed all official directives and avoid approaching the eruption site for their own safety. Thousands of photos and videos of the eruption went viral on social media. Footage showed towering jets of lava accompanied by loud explosions that shook the ground. Many tourists visiting Sicily found themselves witnessing one of Europe's most powerful natural phenomena. While some were captivated by the beauty of the scene, others felt fear witnessing such immense natural power, a force beyond human control. The phenomenon served as a reminder that beneath the beauty of the Italian landscape lies a formidable geological force capable of erupting at any time. Mount Etna is more than just a tourist destination. It is an active volcano that is constantly alive and changing. Occurring after a quiet period of more than 3 weeks, this eruption demonstrates how rapidly volcanic activity can escalate, leaving little time for preparation.